Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today I'm Ryan, I'm 5 years old and going to kindergarten. Let's get this video started. Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. And today I'm gonna take the eyeshadow primer, and we're gonna wipe it on so we can do this look. First, we're gonna make this black eyeshadow, and we're gonna make a shape. Hi guys, I'm gonna take this purple, and I'm just gonna blend the back black out. And I'm gonna do the other purple and then the other black. I'm gonna blend the black out. Today we're gonna do a lot of blending. My mom did a lot of blending. Now we're gonna put some more black down and blend it out. Hi, today we're gonna put 3 dots and then we're gonna wipe it like over, and then we're just going to wipe it like this because to make it as the other eye, and we're gonna wipe it and wipe it, wipe it and wipe it, wipe it and wipe it and wipe it and wipe it and wipe it. Put on this on our eyelid. We got some cream. We're gonna put it on, and we're just gonna keep putting it on because that was the rule sets. Keep and put it on, and we're gonna do liner, and we're just gonna put a glitter on to make it. We're gonna put a lips glitter for your eye, and we're gonna put it on. We're gonna put it on, and we're gonna put it on, and I hope you like my mom's. And then we're gonna spread that on her face, and then we're just gonna blush it. My mom is putting that around her eye, 2 eyes, because her is just gonna blush it off at her eye. Her's just gonna do like this, and he's gonna put it everywhere. And then her's gonna brush it, and her's looking at the mirror, so her know what to do. And this, her's gonna stand up and not close her eyes. You have to be careful not to put makeup in her eye. And that's her hair, I hope. And then he's gonna put the lips. We're gonna finish doing her lips. how it came out, and I hope you join this look. Had so much fun telling you what we was doing. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment and subscribe. Bye guys, we love you.